other side. You see? That corner there.
The security bosses here. We have got the commander of the UPDF 4th Division here with us. You're most welcome. We have got the regional police commander is here with us, together with the DPC of Amuro. They are here with us. Mahmoud, I've seen you. Mahmoud Ahmed is a director in this project. I met him when he was 18 years old. He's not slow despite his size. Moves very fast. Our next speaker, Mr. President, is a formidable woman who you have known for many years. She started business when she was 6 years old, coming home from school, dropping her school bag behind the counter of her mother's shop and beginning to learn business. She grew up in Bungoma in Western Kenya, and based on the story of the Mumias Sugar Company, she felt that it is possible to bring this dream to Pachilo. She has been recognized worldwide, not only for her courage, but also for her generosity. She is a woman who has motivated many other women. She has organized women groups here. She moves here without security. She has faced all the challenges here head on, and I believe her invitation to you was to assure you that there is progress and that together we can overcome whatever challenges are here. Let me now invite Mama Amina Hersi Moge to speak to us.